How to manage clipboard settings in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to control how your clipboard works and what gets stored on it. First, click the Start button and open the Settings app. From there, click on System in the left sidebar. After that, click on Clipboard on the right side of the screen. At this point, you'll see a toggle at the top labeled Clipboard History. Turn this on if you want Windows to save everything you copy so you can access it later by pressing Windows key plus V. Following this, just below that, you'll see a Clipboard Sync Across Devices toggle. Turning this on lets you copy something on one device and paste it on another, as long as both are signed into the same Microsoft account. After that, you can set it to automatically sync text that I copy if you want everything synced without any extra steps, or never automatically sync text if you'd rather manually choose what gets synced. From here, to actually manage what's in your clipboard, press Windows key plus V to open the clipboard panel. At this point, hover over any item in the list and click the three dots next to it to pin it so it stays in your history permanently, or click the bin icon to delete it individually. Finally, if you want to wipe your entire clipboard history at once, click Clear All at the top of the clipboard panel, and everything will be removed instantly. That's how you manage clipboard settings in Windows 11. If this was helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you catch the next one. See you then.